Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of Geofence. This demo is basically divided into three phases. In the first phase, we would be discussing about the admin side. In second phase, we would be discussing about the client side, which is nothing but Android application. And in the third phase, we would be discussing integration amongst both of them. Now, as a DPS officer, I'm always curious about different events and different activities which are going on USC campus as well as around USC campus. Now, these activities are nothing but different geofences that are represented on the screen as well as on the Android side. Now, as you can see, the geofences which appear on the server side look exactly same as that of the Android side. This is because both are synchronized in real time. Now, with along with each geofence, there is certain amount of information which is stored or which is captured. And in order to view that information, you can just click on the marker and you can see the geofence name, the severity, and the count. The count is nothing but number of people who are inside that particular geofence. You can certainly pan, zoom, scale this particular Google map and have a deep look into the geofence area. You can do similar operations on the client side as well. Now let's focus on the server side controls. As far as the server side is concerned, there are three main operations that can be performed by the DPS officer. The first operation is to add a geofence, another operation is to update a existing geofence, and the third operation is to delete existing geofence. We'll be going through all these three operations one after another. Alright, now let's understand the first operation, which is nothing but addition of a new geofence. Now, in order to add a new geofence, all you need to do is click on the radio button polygon, and it gives you a default geofence. You can change the location of these markers and place them at your required locations, and you can start putting associated information regarding this geofence on this particular panel. Let me name this geofence as Trojan match. Type can be sport. Severity can be either warning or life threatening, and I can associate some sort of a message with it, say USC UCLA match, and all I need to do is click on this add button. Alright, the record is inserted successfully. Now let's see the new geofence that we recently added on the all along with all geofences. Now in order to do that, let me refresh the screen. Alright, so this is the new geofence that we recently added. The name is Trojan Mash, severity is warning, and the count is 0 because currently there are no people inside the geofence. Now if you observe the client side, which is on right hand side, the geofence that we recently created is also shown in real time on the client side as well. So both are in sync. Now let's go to the second operation, which is nothing but the updation of geofence. Now in order to update a particular geofence, all you need to do is select a particular geofence from this drop down, and let me select the Trojan match, then click on the view button and you get that particular geofence. You can then change the locations of these markers and place them as per your convenience, and all you need to do is click on the update button. Alright, the record is updated successfully. Now if you see on the client side as well, the geofence was updated in the real time and it was rendered real time. The third operation that I would like to show you is delete operation. In order to delete a particular geofence, you just need to select that particular geofence from this drop down menu. Let me select the Trojan match which we recently created, and by clicking this button you will be deleting that geofence. Alright, the record was deleted successfully. Like as I said, on the client side as well, the geofence was deleted real time. Now let's view all geofences. Now after viewing all geofences, the geofence that we had created recently was deleted. So these were the three main operations as far as the server side is concerned. If you want to view more details about all geofences, all you need to do is click on this particular button and you can see all details like the name, type, severity of all geofences over here. That was about the server side. Now let's have a quick look and a deeper look into the client side.
The second part of the demo is to show the client tool. The client tool is an Android application that is designed for USC students, staff, and faculties. So the client tool has basically two main features. The first is viewing the geofences, and the second is to receive the notifications when a user enters or exits a geofence area. So I will explain the first features. Well, the first feature is to viewing all these geofences. You can panning your screen to view more geofences, or you can zoom in and zoom out to get a clear view of this geofence. Also, the client side has a feature to display the detailed information of a geofence. For example, if you're interested in traffic congestion here, and you click on this geofence, a message box will pop up with the detailed information of it. And then, zoom out. The second feature of the client tool is to receive notification in real time. For example, if you're a user walking from Hoover to Jefferson, and meanwhile you will pass this geofence, and once you pass this geofence, you'll receive a notification stating that you are entering this geofence, and you're not safe, maybe. And then once you get out of the geofence, you will also receive a notification stating that you are safe now and you are out of this geofence. So this is the second part of the demo. And in the third part, we're going to mock a user that is walking from Hoover and turn left to the Jefferson. And meanwhile, he will receive all these notifications. The third part of the demo is to show the real-time notification feature of the client tool. And as you see, the blue dot indicates your current location. Well, you are walking from Hoover from north to the south, and you will enter this geofence area called car accident. Okay, now you're entering it. Meanwhile, on the left corner, you receive a notification stating that you're now safe and you're entering this car accident area. And maybe you want to know more information in real time, you can click on it. And once you step out of the geofence, you will also receive a notification which stating that you are safe.
Alright, so as you have idea about notification, now let's have a look at the server side as well. The particular one user is inside this geofence. Let's refresh the server side, and once we refresh the server side and when we click the marker information, we have a count as 1. So it indicates the number of people who are inside this particular geofence. Okay, so currently the user just exit the two geofence he just get out of. Alright, so that was our demo for Geofence. Thank you very much.